Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, we are in unit 3, that is customizing a Word document. In the last lesson we saw that how we can zoom in and zoom out a Word document, or how we can change the zooming settings of the Word document. In today's lesson we will see that how we can split a Word document, and further we will see some of the basic commands like cut, copy and paste commands, that how they can be performed in the MS Word document. Okay, split a Word document. Splitting a document means to divide the document in sections. So it is used to divide the same document in different sections. This is very helpful to move or copy text between different parts of a long document. The following steps are required to split a document to separate sections. First one, click on the View tab of the standard menu bar. As you can see here that we have the standard menu bar, and in standard menu bar we have to click on the View tab as shown in this figure. This is the View tab. You will click on it, and under the View tab you can see the split button, which is red encircled. So click on the split option, which is encircled by a red circle, then drag the split bar to the position required, that we will demonstrate in the coming video at the end of this lesson. Now edit text. How we can edit text in a Word document, or in how many ways we can edit text in a Word document. Editing text means making changes we want in the text. Editing has separate menu in the standard menu bar, that is edit, and include all the options necessary for editing of text. But the MS Office that we are using, that is 2013 and onwards, in these Microsoft Offices or in MS Word of this version, the edit menu does not exist separately, but the options for used for editing a document, they are included inside the Home tab. So all those editing related options and commands or buttons, they are included in the Home tab in the current Offices or MS Word programs. However, these commands have also shortcuts on the standard toolbar. Inserting or deleting text in the document. So first of all, to insert text in a document, the following steps are required to insert text in a Word document. Move the cursor to an appropriate position in the document where you want to insert text. Place the cursor at that point and then write the text with the keyboard. So it is very simple. Second, to delete text in a document, how we can do this? The following steps are required to delete text. First of all, user may use backspace button on the keyboard, which will erase the text on the left side of the cursor. I know many of you, or maximum students, are already aware of this thing, that the backspace is used to delete text on the left side of the cursor. On the other hand, the del button, which stands for delete button, the del button in the keyboard, that is used to delete text on the right side of the cursor. So these are two ways of deleting text from a Word document. Okay, and now move or copy text to a new location in the document. So here there is a difference between move and copy command that we use in MS Word. While performing the move command means that we want to eliminate, or we want to remove the text from one location in the document, and we want to copy it to the next location, we want to move it to the next location, and there we will paste it. So it means that the text is going to be removed from the previous location. As far as the copy command is considered, so in copy command we are actually making the duplicate copies of the same text, means that the text will remain be there at the previous position or location, and its new copies are going to be copied or pasted at the other locations in the document. Move means to change the position of the text from one location to the other in the document, while copy means to make the duplicate copy of the text to a new location of the document. So there are different methods to perform the move and copy commands in MS Word, and we can do it in several ways, and there are two methods which are discussed in your book. Method 1 is move and copy text with menu bar options. First of all, move text. How you can move text by using method 1, which is by using menu bar options. The following steps are required to move a text from one place to another. Step 1 is select the text to be moved. We have to select that text that we want to move from one place to another in the document. Then second step, click cut command in the edit menu in the standard menu bar. We will see it practically that where the cut command actually exists in MS Word. Third step is move the cursor to a new location, means place the cursor on a new location where you want to paste the selected text, or you want to move the selected text at that position, and click paste in the edit standard menu bar. Now copy text. The following steps are required for copy text. First step is select the text to be copied. Second, click copy in the edit menu in the standard menu bar. Move the cursor to the new location and click paste in the edit standard menu bar. So in both operations, at the end we have to apply the paste command. We have to click on the paste command to move the text or to copy the text to the new location. The keyboard shortcuts for these commands are, like for cut command, the shortcut key is Ctrl+X. We have to hold the Control key and press the X, and this will perform the cut command. Copy command, and the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+C. While for paste command, the shortcut key is Ctrl+V. Okay, and the second method is with toolbar shortcuts. For cut text means for move text, moving text from one place to another. The following steps are required for this command with toolbar shortcut. Select the text to be moved, then click cut icon on the standard toolbar, and then move the cursor to the new location and click paste icon on the standard toolbar. So you can also do it in this way, that instead of using any shortcut keys or going through the options, we can just click on the icons used for these commands and perform the cut or move operation. Copy text. The following steps are required for copy the text with toolbar shortcut. Select the text to be copied. In all these operations, the first step is always selecting the text that we want to move or that we want to copy to any other location. And second step is then click copy icon on the standard toolbar. Third one, move the cursor to the new location and click paste icon on the standard toolbar. So at the end we have to click on the paste command or the icon used for performing the paste command. Now in the next slide I will display a video in which I will be practically doing all these operations. All these commands will be performed in the Microsoft Word application. So there we will better understand that where these options actually exist and how they work actually. Okay, and now I will tell you that how we can split a document, a Word document, and how we can perform the editing functions in a Word document. So I have opened this Word document. First of all, I will show you that how we can split this document in different sections. Like, click on the View tab. As I told you, under the View tab we have the split option, split button. Place the cursor somewhere at which point you want to split the document. For example, I have placed the cursor at the end of this first paragraph. Now I will click on this split button. Once I click on it, you can see that the document is divided at exactly at the same exactly at the position where I placed the cursor in the beginning. So it is split it into different sections at that point, but still we can change the location of this splitting by moving this splitting bar. Like, for example, I am moving this splitting bar to this position, as you can see. So it is divided into two sections at this point. Further, I can move it upward, like for example at this position. So you can see that this is how we can split a document in different sections by using the split button. Further, I will tell you that we can also remove this split from the document. Like, if you want to remove this splitting of a document, then simply again click on the remove split button. Once you split the document, the same button is converted into remove split button. Once I click on it, remove split, again the document is in a single section, is represented in a single section, and the split is removed and the button is changed to split. So it's very simple. Under the View tab, use the split button for splitting the document in sections. See, when I place the cursor on this split button, it shows the description which says that see two sections of your document at the same time. So this makes it easier to look at one section while editing another. So it's very simple. Second, we studied editing text in a Word document. At first place, we discussed insertion and deletion of text in a Word document. So whenever we want to insert text in a Word document, first of all we have to place the cursor at the location where we want to insert some text. Like, for example, if I want to insert some text in the beginning, so I will place the cursor here. Or if I want to insert text in the very beginning of the document, so I have placed the cursor just before this word introduction. So I will simply insert text over here. Like, for example, if I write computer course. So now the question arises that you wanted to insert this text at the top of this document, and after that you want to write the introduction. So simply press enter, and you would see that this word introduction is moved to the next line, and at the top you have inserted a text with the word with two words, that is computer course. Further, you can change the font size of this text like this. Computer codes, you can underline it, you can make it bold, you can make it at the center. Okay. So you can do all these things which is related to editing text in a Word document. Now, so this is how we can insert text. You can insert text in between the text in the Word document. Like for example, if I want to insert some text here just after this paragraph, so it's easy for me, I can do it very easily. Like for example, what should I write? Like for example, if I write CU stands for control unit. So this is how I can insert text anywhere in the document. Just place the cursor at the desired position and write the text from the keyboard. Second, how we can delete text in a Word document. As I told you that by using the backspace key we can delete text. Like for example, by using the backspace key you will delete text at the left side of the cursor. Now the cursor is placed after the word course at the top of this document. When I press backspace, each time when I press the backspace key, one character will be removed or erased from the Word document, which is placed just at the right side of the cursor. So by using the backspace key I can delete the text. This is how we can do it. And the second method that we saw, that by using the delete button we can delete text at the left side of the cursor. So you can see that I have placed the cursor before the computer course title in this Word document. When I press the del button in my keyboard, you will observe that it will delete the characters at the right side of the cursor. Each time when I press the del button, one character is deleted. So this is how we can delete text in a Word document. It's very simple. Okay. So this is how we can insert and delete text in a Word document. Further, we discussed that how we can move or copy text in a Word document, which is done in two ways. You can do it in many ways. Like for example, if I want to move this text from this position to any other position in the document, so first of all I will select the text with the help of the cursor, just like this. Then see, whenever I select the text, it shows me different options over here also, but okay, under the home tab you have to observe these two options. See, when I select the text, those two options are going to be enabled. See, when I selected the text, the cut and copy options are enabled. So now if I want to move the text, means that I am deleting this text from this position and want to copy it at another position in the Word document, I will simply click on the cut button and then place the cursor at desired position, just like I have done this just before the system unit paragraph, and then click on the paste button, just like what here. When I click on the paste button, you will observe that the text is moved to this position. Now this is how we can move text in a Word document. And another way of doing this is select the text and press the Ctrl plus X shortcut from the keyboard. So just like I am doing this, and place the cursor at desired position and then press Ctrl plus V. So it will be moved to the next or a different location where you want to paste it. So this is how we can do it. Okay. Now if you want to copy text from one location to another. Simply select the text, then click on the copy button just like I'm doing over here. See, the text remains at the previous position, and place the cursor at the desired position and then click on the paste button. As I told you that in both cases, while whether moving a text in a document or copying a text, we have to use the paste option at the end. So this is how we can make the copy or copy text in a Word document. And another way of doing this is simply select the text, then press Ctrl plus C, which is the shortcut for copy. Ctrl plus C, then move the cursor to the desired position and press Ctrl plus V, which is the shortcut for paste, and you will see that the text is copied to a new location. So this is how we can do the move and copy command copy text at different locations in a Word document. Once you have copied the text, you can paste it several times in a Word document by using the same shortcut, Ctrl plus V. See? So by using the backspace, I am deleting this text. I can also use the delete button to delete the text. See, I am using the delete button for deleting this text. So it's very simple. All of you must practice these things at your home by using MS Word in your computers or laptops because without practice it will be very difficult to learn Microsoft Word. I'll try to give you some assignments related to Microsoft Word. Then you will practice those assignments, you will prepare those assignments, and that will be just for your practice and better understanding or hands-on practice on the MS Word. So I hope you all have understood it very well. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz. So that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.